This is my new friend Charlotte from Couchsurfing.
Hello.
And Charlotte is from France, but she's currently living in Montreal, and she's visiting us here in Chicago. And she was kind enough to come, and she's making a vegetarian meal for me. And I wonder, can you tell us what we're having tonight?
In English or in French?
How about both?
I'm going to prepare shakshuka, and it's a mix of vegetables, so red pepper, eggplant, onion, and tomatoes, and a lot of spices from the Orient, and with eggs at the end, and with salsa, with labneh and tahini. So yeah.
Sounds yummy, and some bread too.
And bread, yes, Lebanese bread.
Yeah, that's right. And I'm gonna make us a tabbouleh that's made with pamplemousse en français, or
Yes, perfect.
grapefruit. And I'm gonna use some hemp seed for that. So I'm excited to make that for you. So you told me that sometimes you teach people how to cook vegetarian who are interested in the vegetarian lifestyle. What is it that surprises people when they learn more about vegetarianism?
The simplicity, we can say.
Mm-hmm.
The simplicity of vegetarian cook,
Mm-hmm.
with and the possibility of creation with vegetables and spice and different kind of oil, vinegar, and yeah.
People don't imagine that there's quite such a huge palette of flavor available if you don't use meat.
Exactly.
Okay.
No, I focus my mind just on the cook, and I love.
Me too.
It's
In
just
fact, I normally don't like to have anyone watch me cook.
okay.
I'm not trying to stop you.
Because you have just to. It's important to not burn the garlic.
Does it create a bitterness?
Because yeah, this taste is not good if you burn it. Vinegar and harissa.
Okay, so vinegar to deglaze, and then harissa just to add some spice.
Yes.
That's beautiful. You almost overrun the pan.
So
You can feed the whole neighborhood.
I put a little bit of oil.
Beautiful. Okay, what are you doing here?
I put the garlic, fresh garlic,
Okay, you're
to
microplaning it.
conserve its fresh taste.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
So
it's,
you have garlic many ways, slow simmered and also almost raw.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
And after garlic, I'm going to put lemon juice, just a fillet, to refresh the meal,
Oh,
and paprika, because it's important to put paprika at the end, because its taste is very delicate. So it's important to put at the end
okay.
of the cook, of your cook,
Okay.
to preserve its flavor.
Oh, thank you for that tip. Charlotte over here, she was the model. Brunoise. She's all over it.
You make all matchsticks for
Making like a little bed for the eggs to sit on top of.
Yes.
So it's good for that to be hot when you put the eggs on top. It kind of
Okay.
starts the cooking.
And after, maybe if you have a couvert.
Oh yeah, yes, we would.
I
Too
don't
bad.
know the word.
Cover.
Cover.
Yeah. Alan, can you get one of the larger covers, please? Do you want to crack it into something and then put it in there? In case so you don't get the shells?
Like this one, or?
Yeah, that'll work. Can you put it right here? Thank you.
Sure.
Kind of making a little nest for the egg.
And next, yeah, totally. And yes, I will just a little bit because it's very, very hot.
An expert egg cracker. No shell, no need.
No shell.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect. Oh, that looks so good.